Hey y'all. So I have to hold this like this. Well, I really don't have to, but I'm gonna hold it like this because I'm outside and I won't be able to show my face that much because I'm outside, and I don't want people to walk up. So I'm sorry you won't be able to see my face. But my brothers are taking I think they're supposed to be 6 month pictures, but they're now 7 month pictures because they're 7 months old now. And we're at a park, and I spilled the tea on the floor on accident. I spilled tea on this. All you see on this looks like that. Accidentally spilled the tea. Spilled the tea on that, but you can't see the spilled tea because I showed you a different part of the towel. It's like a tablecloth type thing. But I think they're gonna figure how to clean it off. And it's like in a glass jar thing. There's about put it on the rectangle thing, and the tea comes at the bottom. And so it's really windy. I'm sorry about that. So I want to do a snack and chat. I think I'm on Snack and Chat episode 7. But for people who weren't subscribed to me back when I first did it, it was just like me talking about random things, eating things, and drinking something. Like a okay. Okay. Anyway, so what was I saying? Oh, eating a snack and a drink. Having something to drink. I think it's the 7th one coming up soon. I'm gonna do, but I don't know what day. I'm not gonna have like a set schedule where I do like videos because my mom works and I might have to go to Waco and be down there during the day. So I'll do one on Monday, but I think I might do a video on Wednesday. So thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe and come back for more videos. Peace, y'all.